Dear audience and dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm glad to join you on the day of independence, the day of 14th August, when the Islamic Republic of Pakistan came into being. Every year, this day is celebrated in Pakistan. This day is one of the most important days present in the history of Pakistan. It has huge importance because on this day we got independence in 1947 by the hard work of our beloved leader, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. It is important because according to English calendar, we got independence on this day. But according to Islamic calendar, we got independence on 27th of Ramadan. In that day, 1947, everybody celebrated this occasion according to their own way. Respected viewers, the history of Muslims was the continuous struggle of 100 years. This day remembers us when all the Muslims were united for the great cause of Pakistan. It also remembers that all the Muslims were devoted on the slogan, लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान, लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान, सीने पर गोली खाएंगे, पाकिस्तान बनाएंगे. Dear viewers, the great leadership abilities is the main part for the Muslims. I'm talking about Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. We salute him as a father of the nation, who did the great effort for the establishment of Pakistan. Dear viewers, the question is why the people were anxious for Pakistan. Reason is behind that, their simplicity and love for each other. The people of this era were not selfish and greedy. We are not slaves of British people and Hindus. At the end of my speech, I pray that Pakistan will even make progress in other countries in the world. ज़ल्ज़लों की ना दस्तरस हो ए वतन तेरी इस्तिक़ामत तक, ज़ल्ज़लों की ना दस्तरस हो ए वतन तेरी इस्तिक़ामत तक, हम पर गुज़रे क़यामतें लेकिन तू सलामत रहे क़यामत तक. खुदा करे मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पर उतरे, खुदा करे मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पर उतरे वो फसले गुल जिसे अंदेशाए ज़वाल न हो. यहाँ जो फूल खिले वो खिला रहे बरसों, यहाँ जो फूल खिले खिला रहे बरसों, यहाँ ख़िज़ा को भी गुज़रने की मजाल न हो. थैंक यू.